Benefits of lemon. Did you know lemons are one of the most beloved citrus fruits, and for good reason? You want to know what is the reason, right? Then keep on watching. What is the reason? The health benefits that it provides. Lemons are packed with vital nutrients that can do a world of wonder for your health and well-being. You are probably wondering, what type of health benefits do lemons offer? Here are 5 reasons why lemons can be beneficial and why you should consider making them a part of your daily routine. Number 1. It supports heart health. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C. A single medium-sized lemon offers about 30 mg, which is approximately 50% of intake that is recommended on a daily basis. Lemons aren't the only reason that are good for your heart. They are also packed with fiber and contains plant compounds. Adding foods to your diet that are rich with vitamin C can help to reduce the risk of developing heart disease and stroke. Number 2. Aids in weight management. If you are trying to either lose or maintain your weight, you might want to consider adding more lemons to your diet. Lemons are often touted as a supreme food for weight loss. They can help to make you feel fuller for a longer period of time. Number 3. Boosts the immune system. The biggest benefit of lemon is likely the simple fact that it contains a huge amount of vitamin C. One of the biggest benefits of vitamin C is that it strengthens and supports the immune system. It helps the body to fight off infections and bacteria. That in turn helps to keep you feeling healthier and stronger for more of the time, and also prevents a whole host of potentially unwanted symptoms. Number 4. Enhances hydration. Hydration is important for us. Dehydration leads to a wide range of issues, including muscle cramps, dried out skin, headaches. The brain actually shrinks when it loses moisture and pulls away from the inside of the skull, and much more. And last, number 5. Better breath. This might be a little less game-changing than the other items on this list. Amazingly, lemon can help to improve your breath. Lemon can help to stimulate the production of saliva. Saliva is what prevents our mouth from getting dried out. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. Please like and share this video with friends and family.